Hi everyone, happy Teachers Day. Today I'll be talking about our wonderful teachers. In India, we celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September since 1962, which is the birth anniversary of our Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great educator and a philosopher. Dear teachers, I want to thank you because you're teaching us even when the whole world is locked. Dear teachers, thank you for the love you shower on us, the care you take for us, the way you teach us, and the knowledge you share. Teachers, you influence me, you instruct me, you guide me, you're my mentor. Teachers, every day you greet your students with a great smile on your face, though the paperwork night before seemed like a grueling race. Dear teachers, you create the coming generations. Thank you for everything you have given to me till now, and I can't thank you enough for showing me the right path. Teachers, your profession teaches all the other professions, and I want to say you that you have special pride in you, and I love what you do. Thank you, teachers, for everything. Happy Teachers Day once again.